In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a subscription box business on Shopify. Deciding to launch your own subscription box venture is an exciting journey, and using Shopify as your platform can make this process smooth and efficient. Let's start by talking about choosing your niche and subscription idea. It's crucial to pick a field that you're both knowledgeable and passionate about, as this enthusiasm will come through in your product and resonate with your customers. Spend some time researching market demand too. Look for gaps in the market or upcoming trends that you can tap into. Are there things people need but can't find easily? Also, consider the type of subscription model you want to offer. Will it be curated boxes with different items each month, products that need regular replenishment, or something based more on access to exclusive content or items? Once you've done that, it's time to set up your Shopify store. Start by installing the Shopify Subscriptions app. This handy tool provided by Shopify will help you manage all your subscription services directly from your store. Then, create product pages that effectively showcase what your subscription box is all about. Each product page should clearly display the contents and value of the subscription. Take care to customize your store's theme too. Choose a visually appealing design that truly represents your brand's identity and ensures your customers have a pleasant browsing experience. Don't forget to connect your domain to your Shopify store so that it's easily discoverable by your potential customers. Next, let's curate and price your subscription products. Select items that align with your chosen niche and will appeal to your audience. It's wise to explore collaborations with other brands or businesses, as this can lead to unique offerings or even discounts that add value for your subscribers. Think about offering different subscription levels. Maybe you have a basic tier and a premium option with more exclusive items. When it comes to pricing, make sure you carefully calculate all costs, including products, packaging, and shipping. Then, add your desired profit margin to determine a pricing strategy that's competitive yet profitable. Designing your subscription box comes next. Pay special attention to creating an unboxing experience that is memorable and visually appealing. Your packaging should not only protect the contents, but also enhance the perceived value of what's inside. Reflect your brand identity in both your design and materials, cementing your reputation and encouraging subscribers to share their experience. The final step is to implement an effective marketing strategy. Build a user-friendly website that effectively showcases your subscription offerings. Leverage platforms like social media and email marketing to reach and engage your target audience. Building a strong community with excellent customer service will not only keep your subscribers coming back, but also encourage them to spread the word about your fantastic subscription box. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to launching a successful subscription box business on Shopify. With passion, a solid plan, and the right tools, you'll be well equipped to turn your subscription box dreams into reality.